Are you struggling to find a consistently profitable trading strategy? Trying to find the right combination of moving averages, MACD, RSI, and Bollinger Bands to give you enough confluence to take a trade? Welcome to the 95% of retail traders that fail in the markets every single day. Stop looking in the rearview mirror and start trading real-time volume events. First, you need some institution quality tools. In the world of day trading, most tools are reactive, showing you what has already happened. Bookmap is proactive because it visualizes the limit order book, the actual intentions of market participants before a trade even occurs. Once you have a real-time volume vehicle, you can supercharge your trading by using the Smash Box Indicator by RTV Trading. We don't guess, we track. Smash boxes identify exactly where the massive volume spikes are hitting the tape. This is the footprint of the institutions, the big money. Don't fight them, join them. Okay, here's the play. Look at this volume spike, be patient, don't chase the move. Use that subchart spike to draw your volume zone. Once price leaves and returns to that zone, that is your moment to act. Take the trade and watch the momentum take over and cash in your profits every day from now on. You now have the high tier tools to be successful while trading against the best institutions, computers, and minds in the world. Volume is the only thing they can't hide. Go to rtvtrading.com for more information. You don't need luck to be a profitable trader. You need volume. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon.